Today I've got Andrew. You've seen Andrew on my channel before. I told him I don't ever want him back because he's too good looking. What are you, Andrew? Are you human? It's ridiculous. He's got perfect hair. Today he agreed to let me shave it. So are you ready, Andrew?
Shave it off.
No, we're not going to shave it off, but take a look at this. Whoa, you look like Thor. What the heck? Andrew, this is crazy. Look at all this hair, bro. Andrew's hair is so thick. Let's spin around this way. And look at all this friggin' hair, man. So I am going to create a haircut that, now it's kind of interesting because when you see his hair like this is almost what it will look like with it short, just looking in here. This is kind of like what I'm going for. I want to have, some pieces coming down to about probably around like this area. I do want to add some texture to it because it's very, very heavy and thick, but we are cutting quite a bit off. So I'm ready to go. This is going to be a project. Let's get started. Andrew's haircut is complete, and I think it came out amazing. As you can see, I took out a lot of the weight and the bulk in through here because I still wanted to have him have somewhat of a flow to it because he does like to have his hair a little bit on the somewhat longer side. But like I mentioned before, his hair is so thick that, in order to create a haircut like this, that's why I use the razor to really just remove a lot of that heaviness. So, we kept some texture in through the bottom here. It is all fully layered, but I did go in and do a lot of like freehand kind of cutting, which I like to do sometimes because it just allows me to feel what needs to be done to the hair. So I'll run my fingers through it and I'll feel for that weight and I'll just remove it and I'll go in and do a lot of freehanding. So Andrew is a person who likes to have his hair more on the kind of natural damp side with some product, and he wants to let it air dry. So I used my blow dry cream, the Crafted blow dry cream. Also, Shadow is an incredible product for something like this because it does tame the hair very, very well. So Shadow or the blow dry cream is really amazing. But Andrew, how do you feel, man? You feel good?
Feels like so much weight has been lifted off.
I know.
My shoulders, literally.
Yeah. Oh, it went from your head to my shirt, Andrew. My shirt's a mess right now. But anyway, also, special, let's scoot over because you can't take all the camera time, Andrew. It's not fair for me. But anyway, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, we get 20% off and free shipping in the United States. Thank you, Andrew. I'll plug his social media in the description. We'll see you soon.
Thanks, Steven.
No problem.